Hi everyone, I'm Izzy and today I'll be teaching you a beginner song on the ukulele called Riptide. The first chord is an A minor. It sounds like this and you'll see it up there. The second chord is a G. It sounds like this and up there. And the final chord is a C. That's how it sounds and it looks up there. Yeah. So to get the rhythm of the song, just play it normally. Yeah. After you've done that, you can do the strumming pattern, which is up, down, down, up, down, down. Yeah. That's all to it. I hope you guys have a nice day. Like and subscribe. Bye.